So this was where we stopped. So we said we're going to look at Euro USD is one of the most popular major currency pairs. We have other currency pairs like USD, CHF, AUD, USD, and so there are plenty. Pairs is just like you're comparing one currency to the other. So as you can see from here, so the first currency here is the base currency. The second one is the
what, sir?
Base currency.
Base. The first one is base currency.
Yes, as you can see here, is the base currency.
Okay.
Then the second one is the quotes, which means the one you are comparing or you are trading with. So it means, so what this is saying is Euro USD. What this is saying is how much of Euro would you use to buy USD?
Yeah.
Or how much of Euro would you sell
to buy USD?
That would be equal to USD. You get it? So, and we'll have on the price action. So let me go to my chart and open Euro USD. So if you go on, okay, let me open Euro USD. Let's watch symbols. So I want to pick out Euro USD and show us something. So these are different instruments. And see, as plenty they are. So this is Euro USD. And so this is on a 1 day time frame. We're still going to talk about, do we know what time frame is?
No.
Time frame is simply showing, of course, these are candles. Hello?
Your screen is showing formatting.
It's showing
the Euro USD picture.
Oh, okay. That's one thing about Zoom. Let me change. New share. Okay. Okay, confirm you can say.
Okay,
you can see Forex chart now.
Yes.
Okay, so this is Euro USD. And all these things you are seeing, these ones are candlestick.
Yep.
Are we familiar with this view?
Yes.
Okay. So these bars that you are seeing, they call, let me increase it. They are candlesticks anyway. We can make them big. So these ones that is shaded is the bearish candle. This one is the bullish candle. So I can say that from this point, in this market action, this 1.12623, till this point, the market has gone bearish. Do you understand?
Yes.
Yeah.
So if I sold Euro USD at this point, and I leave it for days until the market got here, I would have been in massive profits, because this is about, let me see, this is about almost 500 pips. Don't worry, we'll still talk about that later. Let me know. So what I want to show us now is, this is the current price of Euro USD. The ask price is 1.07242. Then the bid price is 1.07506. So currently now, it means 1.07506 euro will buy $1.07241. That's what it means. And if I go on Google to look at the price of Euro USD, let me go there and show us. I'm trying to show us something so that we can price of euro to USD. Okay, as you can see, it's 1.0. See, you can see. Can we see the screen? How much is euro to USD? 1.07.
Okay, yeah.
And if I go to new share, come in, let me go to share. You can see this is the current price, 1.07. Did we see that? So for everything you see on this line, these are the different prices of the instrument you are trading per time. So that's the meaning of all these things. That's why if the price is going up, that's why if you speculate that the price will go up, you buy, you make profit. But if you speculate that a particular instrument is weak, you sell it, you make profit. So this is the idea about buying and selling. Let me give you a good example. Like the Nigerian oil, when Tinubu made the statement that the subsidy has been removed. So now what that means is that instrument or that commodity, which is oil in Nigeria, is now a valuable commodity. So people will rush to go and buy it. So if you have it, now it's a very good example. Those who have the oil in their filling station, they bought it with the old price. But because of the news event, they are now selling at a new price, which means the value has gone up and they are making profit. You get it? But if in a case of, they say, a particular commodity, the price will fall, those who have it in stock, say for instance, if there's a news that federal government has opened border and there is plenty of rice, there'll be plenty of rice, the price will come down from 40,000 to 20,000. Those who have it in store, if that news is so valid with evidences, those who have the rice in store, they will begin to sell them out. Because if they don't sell, if they hold on to it, the price, the market price will fall and they will be in loss. So that's just the idea about Forex. But the only challenge we have is nobody, no single man can predict where the price of a commodity can 100% give an assurance of where the price of a commodity will go. They just keep speculating, sometimes with evidences. The technical analysis They use previous data to forecast future movement of the market. That's about the technical analysis. So let me not divert too much. We talked about dwelling on the currency pair and how news and events affects. Let me go back to the currency pair. Do you have any question from here?
Not at all, sir.
So, can you throw more light on the asking and the bidding price? Because it was not just clear when you were explaining that.
Okay.
From the graph, please.
Let me go back to. Okay. So now the bid price say you can sell €1 for 1.0717 US. So what it means is for you to use USD to buy euro, you need 1.0717, which means euro is a little bit more than USD. Just like presently now, I think our Nigerian to US dollars is about 900 or more. Hello?
Yeah, with you, sir.
I'm here. Yeah,
Okay.
I'm here.
So if it's in the case of Naira USD, the bid price would be 900, while the ask price would be $1. Do you understand? So in a currency pair, using Nigerian currency, in a currency pair of Naira USD, the bid price would be 900 and the ask price would be $1. It's just the amount of money, the amount of this current country currency that you can use to buy another one, or the amount of this country's currency that you can use to buy the other one. So what it means is for me to ask for US dollars, I need 900 Naira, excuse me, as a bid price.
Okay, I get it now.
Okay. So if it's in the case of, say, for instance, USD Swiss franc, that's USD against Swiss franc is the bid price will be the value of USD. Then the ask price will be the value of the Swiss franc. It's just a little difference. That's why, okay. Now the bid price and the ask price is what forms the spread. Have you heard about spread in Forex?
No, sir.
Okay, let me go back to the chart. Spread is the difference between the two currencies. Let me go to the chart. You will see what I mean now. Okay. I hope this is making sense.
It is.
Okay, so this is the spread. The spread is between this line and this other line. That's the spread between Euro USD. So the bid price and the ask price forms the spread. And sometimes it might vary with different brokerage firm, because the brokerage firm, they earn on spread. Either you make profit or you make loss. The way they make their money is on spread. So let me go back to Let me go back to this and quickly finish. So now what this means is this is Euro USD, the instrument you are trading. Okay, so spread 2 pips. Okay. So the instrument you are trading is Euro USD. So if you are buying this instrument, it means you are buying Euro. If you place a buy order for Euro USD, for instance, what that means is you are buying Euro, you are selling USD. And if you are placing a sell order for Euro USD, it means you are selling Euro and you are buying USD.
Please
So
come again, sir.
okay, for this currency pair, any
Yes.
order you make, say for instance, I place a buy order. It means
Okay.
I'm buying Euro and I'm selling USD.
USD. Okay, that is if you are placing a buying order.
Buy order.
Okay.
So now it depends on the lot size I'm using. The lot size is simply means the quantity or amount you are buying, amount of this currency pair you are buying. And that is dependent on your equity that you have left. So if I place a buy order on this instrument, this currency pair, it means I'm buying Euro, I'm selling US dollar. So a very good example. The decision for you to place a buy or sell is dependent on the strength of these currencies. For instance, if there's a news that Euro is stronger than USD. Hello?
Which is, sir?
So anything you are doing is based on the base currency. So if Euro is stronger than USD, that means I want to buy Euro and I'm selling USD. Don't forget, for whatever order you place, it's directly affecting the base currency, and the codes will act otherwise. So if I'm buying this currency pair, Euro USD, I'm buying Euro, I'm selling USD. So if I'm selling this currency pair, I'm selling Euro, I'm buying USD. So a very good example. If there's a news that Euro is talking about fundamental analysis, if there's a news that Euro is stronger than USD, Euro is the one that is stronger. I'll buy these instruments, which means I'm buying Euro, I'm selling USD. If the news goes the other way around, that Euro is weaker than USD, that means I will sell this pair, which means I'm selling Euro, I'm buying USD. Does it make sense?
Yeah. Very well.
Yes. So now look at it this way.
It's making sense.
Yeah, so look at it this way. If there's a fundamental news that USD is strong, so that means USD is strong, then Euro is weak. Now, Euro that is weak, which more or less look like is no longer valuable with respect to USD, I will sell Euro and buy USD. So it means this pair, if I'm selling Euro USD, it means Euro is, for me, Euro is weak, and I'm selling Euro and buying USD. So that means for this instrument, if I'm selling this instrument, this pair, it means I'm going bearish, which means I expect that the market should go short. The market price, the price of this should go down, which means, and it's simple, Euro is weak. So I'm selling this currency pair. That means the value should drop. So that's why, so now let me go back to the chart. That is why you will see the different price action in the market. So this is Euro USD. So like I said, these candles, now this is a daily time frame. What the time frame, I can change the time frame. Let me change this time frame. to 30 minutes. I hope I'm not taking so much of our time.
Not
So
at all.
what this means is this bearish candle burns like this for 30 minutes. Bullish, the one that goes up. This one burns like this for 30 minutes. This one also burns like this for 30 minutes. This one for 30 minutes. Because this is a 30 minutes time frame. We have different time frame. 1 minute, 5 minutes, 30, 1 hour, 4 hours, some 8 hours on MT5 accounts. So we are going to dwell more on that later. Let me go to daily time frame. So this is a daily time frame. So it means, like the example I was using the other time, this one burnt for a day. This is how the market, for this day, the market was bearish. The next day it was bearish. This was bearish, this was bearish. And each of these candles, they have different names, the way they are looking. That one is more for technical analysis. So this one, bullish. That means for this day, the market went up. When it got here again, this next day, it went down. Do we understand? Hello?
We are with you.
Okay.
We are with you.
Yeah. So I think those are the two major things I talked about. Understanding the currency pair, and when we can, and how fundamental analysis like news, political events, war, crisis, and something else will affect our decision to place a buy order. Let me go to the economic calendar. I'm trying to ensure that we do not move out of our content, even though our time is fast spent. So now, so we understand currency pairs now. And like I said, there are different currency pairs. You can have USD JPY, that's USD versus Japanese yen, US dollars versus Japanese yen. So now this is, okay, so this is economic calendar. Let me see the news for Thursday. So Thursday starts from this place. This is a high impact news. This one that is in red. Can you see the economic calendar, please? Okay. So if we read this, it says the trade balance, blah 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 blah. Okay, so and that will turn into a positive growth in trade balance, and this should be positive for AUD. So what that means is this is the previous value for the trade balance in Australia. This is the consensus. So we are waiting for the actual value. So the actual value here, if the actual value is stronger than the previous, then the Australian dollar will be stronger. So if you are trading any pair against Australian dollar, then you should take notes of where your market direction will go. Are we still together?
We are
Yeah,
together.
we're together.
Oh, somebody is waiting in the yeah. That's why sometimes it might not. Okay, so let me see USD if there are. Oh, so this is a high impact news for Euro. Let me click it and see. Good. We know how important GDP is. So this, for Euro, this is gross domestic product. The gross domestic product released by the Eurostat is a measure of the total value of all goods and services produced by the Eurozone. The GDP is considered as a broad measure of Eurozone economic activity and health. Usually, a rising trend has a positive effect on the euro, while a falling trend is seen as negative or bearish. So sometimes why we need to go through the pain of all these theories, a lot of people just jump into trading Forex. They don't know some of these basics and it affects them a lot, which I happen to be a victim of it. So what this simply is saying is the previous value is 0.3. The consensus, like what people are expecting is also 0.3. So we're going to be waiting for the actual value tomorrow by 10 a.m. GMT plus 1 is the same time zone. So when this, assuming this value comes out and is greater than 0.3, it means euro will be strong. Like they said here, usually a rising trend has a positive effect on the euro, which is if the value is more than 0.3, it means it's stronger. Euro is stronger. They say while a falling trend is seen as negative or bearish. So if the value is less than 0.3, when they release this data tomorrow, immediately people will start, assuming it's less than 0.3, it means euro is weak. Immediately, if you are the type trading euro USD, you need to start selling, or let me say a lot of people will start selling euro USD. And you will now see that the market is going bearish. So you might try this tomorrow. I'll share this, the link to this economic calendar. You just try your demo account and you can see maybe 10 o'clock tomorrow, look at the actual value and look at the variation. If euro USD is stronger, place, if this value is more than 0.3, try to place a buy order for euro USD. And if it's lesser than, place a sell order and see what happens. You understand? So, and there is a way to do risk management. You try to put in your stop loss and your take profits. We're still going to dwell more on that. So this is one of the things that informs your market entry, this fundamental analysis. So this one is a news or release, a news release about the GDP in Euro. So there are other news for that same tomorrow. This is non-farm productivity for US. There are just plenty. So just have to be mindful of the ones that will affect the currency pair you are trading or the instruments you are trading. So I think I should just stop here and see if we can answer some questions. We have any. If you have anything that is not clear, let's just please come up with it so that we'll discuss it. Any question?
Any yet though?
No
From
question
my
yet.
end, I think from my end.
Okay, so that's fine. So if that is clear, what I want us to do is I'll share this link on the group now. Let's watch out tomorrow by 10 a.m. on our demo account how the market of the Euro USD, you can watch it between 10 to 11. Look at the market before 10, say like 9:45. Look at where the market is. You can try to note where the market is. Then look at the market action for the next 1 hour and see the movement. So whatever your observation is, you can drop it on the group chats. We'll take it up from there. So we are still going to be looking at the
So, on what time zone, please? 4 hours, 15.
whichever time zone. No. You mean time frame?
Time frame, sorry.
Yeah. You can use 15 minutes, you can use 1 hour. Can anyone? When we are
Oh,
going into technical analysis, we'll talk more about time frame and the need for you to vary time frame for analysis, for technical analysis rather. So let's go with the assignments. Let's open our demo account tomorrow. Let's try to look at where the price action is by 9:45, then maybe around 10:05, 10:10. See how the market moves. That is when you must have come and check the GDP of Euro by 10 a.m. This is 10 a.m. tomorrow. So when you see this value, so when you get the value of this, the actual value, then it should form your decision to buy or sell. Since we are using fundamental analysis to buy, don't forget if the actual value is
Which
more than
value, sir? Sorry, which value, sir?
okay. If you look at this way, this is impact. This is for economic calendar. This is impact.
Okay.
As the impact, this
Sorry,
needs to
check your
have.
please. Adjust your cursor. Let me see. I'm not seeing the cursor very well.
See my cursor.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah,
Yeah,
so this is the
impact. Yeah,
impact.
I've seen it, sir.
This is the actual.
Actual, yeah.
This is the deviation, the difference
Okay.
between previous and actual. Then this is the consensus.
Consensus.
Yeah, so this is the
Okay.
previous value. So we're looking at the news of GDP in Europe that will come out tomorrow by 10 a.m. The previous value is 0.3%.
Okay.
The consensus is 0.3%. So we are waiting for what the actual will be tomorrow. So if this
Oh,
actual
okay.
remains the same, it
It
might
will
not really move
it
the
will remain
market.
as 0.3.
So it means it's still the same. So if it's more than
Okay.
0.3, it means it will have a positive effect on the euro, which is it will make euro stronger. So when
Okay.
you
Which
have
means we should be buying euro.
for the currency pair of euro USD, because
Mm.
euro is the base currency. So if you are trading another currency pair, that euro is the quote. So if euro is strong, you will have to sell that currency pair if the currency pair you are trading has euro as the quote. But because our example that we are using is euro USD, euro is the base. So if euro is stronger than USD, we will have to buy because it's the base currency. But if it is the quote currency and euro is strong, that means we will sell. So which means the stronger currency drives the movement of the market or the direction of the market rather. So if the base is strong, it goes long, which is bullish. It goes in a buy order. So when you hear buy order, bullish, long position, they are all the same direction, bullish position going up. And if you hear short, bearish, okay, short, bearish, and which other one? They are going in sell position. Yeah, sell, bearish, short. When you hear short position, I want to go short for this currency pair. That means the person wants to sell. Or you say this also currency is bearish at the moment. That means it's selling. It's going down at the moment. So that's what that means. So the assignment is tomorrow when we see this value, whatever value you see should inform your own decision, since what you are looking at is how fundamentals informs decision on currency pair. Whatever value you see here should inform your decision on either to buy this currency, the Euro USD currency pair or to sell the Euro USD currency pair. I think this is explicit enough. So whatever, and okay, we're still going to talk about take profit and stop loss. So let's just see what how that plays out, and if we can, I don't want to rush us. If we can stop it or end the trade, that's fine. But let's see how it plays tomorrow. Then we'll take it up from there. So that one will inform some questions and answers we're going to discuss. All right, thank you very much. Any other question? I guess there's none. All right, thank you for your time.
No.
Um,
Hello?
just drop your comments on the group chat. We'll follow it up. And our next chat will be on Sunday evening. Okay, bye everyone. Sweet dreams.
All right, thanks. Good night.